Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we are going to be preparing this Costco 4-meat pizza. So if yours didn't come with any instructions printed or you just like a visual guide, we are here to help. We've got everything that we need assembled here today, which is very little. You just need your pizza and some foil at minimum. But I am going to use a little rack for mine. Now, the first thing that you need to do is preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. And then we need to prepare our pizza. So mine is a little bit disheveled, so open up your box and survey it. If you need to reassess and move around some of your toppings, go ahead and do that because it's not pre-baked or anything. You can move them around, and that way you have an even distribution of how you want things. Now, they recommend just baking this directly on the oven rack without anything except for some foil under the oven rack. It dirties up my oven racks, so whenever I have pizza like this, I will usually cook it on a cookie sheet halfway through, or I will put it on a little cooling rack to bake it. That way it creates less of a mess and I still use the foil underneath. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. For reference, this pizza is about 12 by 14 inches, so you will need a baking pan of about that size or that much foil. So let's pop it in and bake this for their recommendation of 10 to 12 minutes or until the cheese is melty and the edges are golden brown. So I will come back and let you know exactly how long that takes in my oven. If you like what we're doing here, please consider sending a super thanks. It helps us continue to provide more amazing content. All right, guys, it has been about 15 minutes in my oven and we are back. Our pizza looks like it is done. Overall, it was very easy to cook. There were no mishaps, but here's our completed Costco 4-meat pizza. If you guys would like to know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review and let you know if we would purchase this again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you guys next time. Bye. All right, guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.